Hello and welcome to this video presentation. Today I will be discussing the creation and implementation of an information campaign focused on reducing the amount of food waste that is created on campus. It is crucial to reduce our food waste to become a more environmentally friendly campus. In this presentation, I will discuss the extent of the food waste problem, the different possibilities of advertising on campus, and the final recommendations for action going forward. Food waste is a serious problem in the country as a whole. As such, we should do our part to reduce the waste that is generated on our campus. According to an NPR article by Linda Poon, it is estimated that up to 142 pounds of food are wasted per student per year on college campuses, which is shown by the infographic. Food waste puts a major strain on the environment. The energy costs of producing and transporting food are large, and they are largest at the end of the supply chain, as all of the transportation costs have already been consumed. Food waste produces greenhouse gases such as CO2 and methane, which contribute to global warming. There is also a social cost to food waste. With food insecurity still being a major problem in the country, we should not be wasting food at the rate that we do. In terms of technical definitions, a brief overview of Facebook advertisements may be helpful. Facebook ads can be hyper-targeted to specific groups of people. In this case, advertisements can be directed exclusively to people located on campus. This will ensure that money is not wasted on people off campus, as the extent of this campaign is focused solely on spreading information on the campus. There is a hierarchy of advertisements in Facebook advertising. Ad campaigns are at the top. This is where campaign goals are defined. Next are ad sets, where specific groups are targeted based on various attributes. Lastly is the ad level, where specific ads are created. When designing ads that will be displayed on campus, there are specific guidelines that must be followed. For example, there is a specific color breakdown that should be followed. Around 30% black, 30% gold, 30% grays and whites, and up to 10% other colors. This presentation roughly follows these color guidelines. Admissible fonts, design, and use of pictures is also outlined in those guidelines. It is also important to design ads according to the research. Using statistics tends to make advertisements more convincing and keep them in people's minds. There are two categories of advertisements planned for this campaign: physical and digital. Physical ads include a few different categories. Flyers can be printed as quarter sheets and have an advertisement printed on them. They can be handed out at various places on campus. Shuttle bus ads are free to UCCS organizations aside from the cost of printing ads. Bulletin board ads are also free aside from the physical cost of production. Digital ads should also be used in this campaign. The TVs around the campus that show ads are also free for the use of UCCS organizations, provided that they follow the ad guidelines. An email campaign is free to conduct and can be a regular reminder of the food waste issue. Services such as MailChimp to create an advertising email campaign can also be used. As discussed earlier, Facebook ads can be targeted specifically, but they are the most expensive form of advertising on this campaign, reaching around 300 people for $25. Advertisements can be evaluated with a QR code. When people scan the code, it will take them to a website with more information and can also keep a tally of which ads are getting people to scan the code. Ads can then be evaluated based on the amount of engagement that they get. Here we can see an example of an advertisement that should be used during this campaign. In conclusion, we believe that doing our part to reduce food waste is critical to helping the environment. The first step is to inform the campus, and this campaign will be able to do so. Our recommendation is to run all of the forms of advertising initially due to the low cost of most of them. Ads should then be evaluated with the QR code method discussed above, and a decision on whether to continue to run them can be made. Particular attention should be given to the performance of the Facebook ads, as they are by far the most expensive. I would like to thank you for watching this presentation. If you have any questions, please feel free to reach out by the email campaignemail@uccs.edu. We hope you consider this campaign, and thank you again for watching.